One of the things you hear me talk about a lot when it comes to decorative stitches is how important it is to sew out a stitch book, a stitch library, something where you can see each of these stitches sewn out on fabric. Because I will tell you, a lot of these stitches just don't look as fun than if you have stitched them out. And you know what? Even put variegated thread on it. When we talk about our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, that is one of the students' almost like homework assignments. That gives it so when you pick a stitch, you have an idea how cool it's going to look before you even get started. There's some stitches in these menus that, again, don't realize, for example, how bold the stitches look. I think this one is actually this one right here, by the way. So, you know, when you look at it on screen, it looks okay. But then you look at it, here we go, let's even pick it because you can see how wide it is. See how fun that is? This is actually couching. There was actually 9 cords put down underneath that, so it gave it a whole new dimension. But when you start playing around with decorative threads, it is amazing. So I want you to click right up here where we talk about and show you how to make a stitch book. We talk about stabilizers. You've got an amazing amount of stitches in this machine that when you see them as a little reference, you'll definitely know to use them. It'll help you create some of the stitches that are specialty ones, like the ribbon stitches, the floating stitches, and then you can use those in a lot of projects if you know they actually exist. So if you're ready to take your stitching to the next level, check out our free videos for the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, where you watch me make this entire quilt from start to finish.